Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this look over here. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So for today's look, I'm using this new MORPHE palette that I got. It's MORPHE 35M Boss Mood Artistry Palette. It comes with 35 shades, which includes matte and shimmery shades. So I'm really loving this color scheme here. As you can see, so the colors are all very pigmented, very smooth, not patchy at all, easy to blend, and just so happy that I got this palette, to be honest. And I think this is going to be my new favorite palette. Let me see it.
So first of all, I'm going to use this brown shade with green undertone and apply it onto my crease. Next, I'm using this bright orange shade and apply it onto the crease as well, but blending it downwards towards the eyelid. So now I'm going to use this pink shade and apply it at the outer corner of my eyes and slowly blending it inwards. But still, the blending tu tak adalah ke dalam sangat because we're still focusing at the outer corner of the eyes. In order to blend the outer corner and the crease together, I'm going to mix the two shades that we used earlier, which are the pinks and the bright orange, so that there won't be any harsh lines. For this look, I'm going to do a half cut crease. So in order to do that, you need a flat brush, a concealer, and slowly tarik daripada inner corner to the center of the eye. Using this corally pink shade, I'm going to apply it onto the half cut crease that I created earlier. And for easy application, I would recommend to use a flat thin brush. In order to bridge the two colors that we applied earlier, I'm going to use this shimmery orange shade. For the lower lash line, I chose this plum shade. After that, I'm going to smoke it out using this shimmery burgundy shade. For the inner corner, I chose to use the BECCA Champagne Pop highlighter to make it pop. Sorry guys, I did my eyeliner and false lashes off camera. As for foundation, I'm using my Holy Grail NARS Sheer Glow foundation. For the under eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This contour palette is hands down the best contour palette I've ever had in my entire life, to be honest. So it's from DIOR Backstage. Because I have fair skin, it's quite hard for me to find a contour shade that will not look muddy on my skin or look too orange on my skin. These ones just give you that natural finish. I just love it. As for blusher, I'm using the usual palette, which is the ZOEVA Coral Blush Palette. Now I'm using the BECCA Champagne Pop highlighter to apply onto the highest point of my face. As for the lips, I'm going for the nude color, so I'm using the Stila liquid lipstick in the shade of Fia, if I'm not mistaken. I'll double check them. So now it's just me showing off the finishing look.
So I guess that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. And I hope you guys have a nice day.